Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is time to get cooking. I will be making a white bean and ham soup today. This is so delicious. And if you have any leftover ham from Thanksgiving or Christmas, this is a perfect way to use up that leftover ham. It is hearty and comforting. It's just so delicious. And if you love beans, then you're gonna love this recipe. So let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make it. All right, so you will need about a half of a cup each of chopped onions, carrots, and celery, 2 garlic cloves. Now I love to cook a ham bone or ham hock in with my beans. I couldn't find a ham hock in the grocery store, and I don't have a ham bone, but I did find these pieces of ham neck bone, so that's what I'm gonna be using. And then I have about a cup and a half of diced ham. But like I said, this is the perfect way to use up your leftover ham. If you cook a ham for Christmas or Thanksgiving, save that bone. It just makes the best beans. All right, then you're gonna need a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, some salt and pepper, and then your white beans. Now I'm using a Great Northern today, but you can use navy or cannellini. Any white bean will be fine. And this is a 2-pound bag of the Great Northern. I'm not gonna use all of these. I'm gonna use about a pound of them, maybe about a pound and a half. But that's completely up to you. If you use all of like a 2-pound bag, you'll just want to increase the water. It will just take more water to absorb, but that's all that you'll need to do really. You might need to adjust your seasoning a little bit, but it just depends on how many people you're feeding. All right, so I have a large soup pot here, and I did forget to mention you'll need some olive oil, just about a tablespoon. All right, so I'm going to add my vegetables in with my oil. I'm gonna let these cook for a couple minutes until they begin to soften. All right, I'm also going to mince my garlic using my garlic press here. All right, so I like to go through my beans and make sure there's no rocks or any debris, and I just sprinkle some in my hand and then just drop them in a bowl. All right, then I'm gonna give them a quick rinse. All right, then I'm gonna drain off the water. All right, so now it is time to add my beans, and then I'm going to add 8 cups of water. I'm going to add my Italian seasoning, and I'm going to give a good couple pinches of salt and black pepper. And then I'm going to add my ham neck bone, and I'm just going to let these cook. And they'll cook on a low to medium heat for a couple hours. You'll want to keep your eye on them. As the beans absorb the water, you might have to add some more water. All right, so I have added more water, and I have just let the beans cook down. And now I'm going to add the ham, and I'm gonna let the ham cook in with the beans for about 30 minutes. And cooking them with that ham bone just gives them such good flavor. And of course, I had to make some cornbread to go with it. I like to dunk my cornbread in my soup. All right, guys, well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.